Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fine. My name is Preeti Shrivastava. I am class teacher of UKG. I welcome you all in Divine Public School's e-learning class. Children, math is all around us. Math is fun. Math is everything we do. In maths, we learn counting, tables, shapes, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, etc. This is your maths book, and the spelling of maths is M-A-T-H-S. Today I will teach you page number 7 and 8. In previous video you learnt page number 5 and 6. On the page number 5 you learnt big and small, and on the page number 6 you learnt heavy and light. Today I will teach you page number 7 and 8. This is page number 7. Okay children, all of you open page number 7 in your maths book. And on the page number 7, here is L-O-N-G, long, A-N-D and S-H-O-R-T, short, long and short. Two pencils are here. This pencil is long, and here is written I-A-M-M-L-O-N-G, long. This pencil is long, and this pencil is short. Here is written I-A-M-M-S-H-O-R-T, short. I am short. I am also having two pencils. Now see, this pencil is long and this pencil is short. Like this pencil is long and this pencil is short. Some pictures are here. What is this children? This is cucumber. And what is this? Sponge gourd. Cucumber is long and sponge gourd is short. Now all of you say the spelling. L-O-N-G, long, S-H-O-R-T, short, long, short. What is this children? Yeah, this is a radish. And what is this? This is a lady's finger. Radish is long and lady's finger is short. L-O-N-G, long, S-H-O-R-T, short, long, short. What is this? This is a snake. And what is this? This is earthworm. Snake is long, L-O-N-G, long, and earthworm is short, S-H-O-R-T, short. Okay? All of you learn spelling of long and short. This is practice session. Okay. P-R-A-C-T-I-C-E, practice, S-E-S-S-I-O-N, session, practice session. And here is written W-R-I-T-E, write. L, F-O-R, for, L-O-N-G, long, O-B-J-E-C-T, object, A-N-D and S, F-O-R, for, S-H-O-R-T, short, O-B-J-E-C-T, object. Write L for long object and S for short object. See children, 4 columns are here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and in each column there are 2 pictures. You have to compare between 2 pictures. What is this? This is the train. And what is this? This is a bus. Train is long and bus is short. So in this box, okay, you will write L like this for this train, L for long, and in this box you will write S like this for this bus, L for long and S for short. What is this? This is a rope and this is also a rope. 2 ropes are here. One rope is long and another rope is short. So in this box you will write L for this rope and here you will write S for this rope. 2 crayons are here. This crayon is long, so here you will write L and in this box you will write S for this crayon. 2 scales are here. This scale is long. Here you will write L for this scale and here you will write S for this scale. After that, after completing this work, you will put date here. Okay? When you will do this work, put here that date only. Okay children? And all of you do your work in very good handwriting, neatly and nicely. Now all of you open page number 8. This is page number 8. And here is written T-A-L-L, tall, A-N-D and S-H-O-R-T, short, tall and short. Tall means lamba, okay, and short means chota. See, 2 buildings are here. This building is tall and this building is short. And here is written I-A-M-M-T-A-L-L, tall. I am tall because this building is tall. And now here is written I-A-M-M-S-H-O-R-T, short. I am short because in the comparison of this building is short. Okay, understand? No? Now see, all of you. I spoke. This pencil is long. Why I say this? Thing we can measure in horizontal position, we can say it is long, and thing we can measure in vertical position, in standing position, we can say it is tall. So for the pencil I spoke, this is long and this is short, and it is, this glue box is tall and this glue box is short. Tall, short. Thing we can measure in vertical position, that thing we can say it is tall, and thing we can measure in horizontal position like this, we can say it is long. Okay, understand? Some pictures are here. Who is he? He is a man. And who is he? He is also a man. This man is tall. T-A-L-L. Tall. And this man is short. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall, short. Two trees are here. This tree is tall and this tree is short. T-A-L-L. Tall. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall, short. Two electric poles are here. This electric pole is tall and this electric pole is short. T-A-L-L. Tall. S-H-O-R-T. Short. Tall, short. Children, you learnt page number 7 and 8 and all of you find out the difference between tall and short and long and short. Okay. Now on the page number 8, this is practice session and here is written W-R-I-T-E, write. T-F-O-R, for. T-A-L-L, tall. O-B-J-E-C-T, object. A-N-D, and. S. F-O-R, for. S-H-O-R-T, short. O-B-J-E-C-T, object. Write T for tall object and S for short object. Now see children, what is this? This is a bottle. And what is this? This is a glass. Which one is tall? This or this? Yeah, this bottle is tall in the comparison of this glass. So in this box you will write T for this bottle because bottle is tall, and in this box you will write S for this glass because in the comparison of bottle this glass is short. Okay, this way you will complete this work.